Ladies and gentlemen, I request all of you to please take your seats. You will have enough time with the beautiful stars who are here this evening. Please give them some time, and all of you will be given a time and space to get your photographs. Yeah? Because the longer you take to clear out from there, the longer we are going to take to start the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, I request all of you to please be seated. Thank you. Because we have to start this program in exactly 2 minutes. There have been delays. Allowdam, please, if you could be seated, I'd be very happy. I know you're not bothered about my happiness at this moment, but this program cannot start unless you are all seated. Thank you. We will make sure that all of you get your photographs, but that cannot happen if we're going to behave like there is no COVID. Ladies and gentlemen, stop now, enough, please. Thank you. We'll get everyone to come and take a photograph. We don't want any problems here. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Come. Can we have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the beautiful stars that are with us this evening? I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Anjali, and I'm going to be taking you through the next 1 hour, hopefully, of this evening. We are here to celebrate the press meet of Pushpa, The Rising. Yes, a movie that we've all been waiting for with bated breath, and I'm sure we're not going to be disappointed. Yes, the same team as Arya, if you think about it. Allu Arjun, the director, Sukumar, and music director, Sridevi Prasad. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to call upon Mr. Mukesh Mehta, the distributor of Pushpa in Kerala, to welcome the gathering. May we have a big hand, please? In the meanwhile, everybody, if you all are seated, excuse me, hello, shine, 1 minute. Everybody, if you all are seated over here, we'll make sure that you get your time, all right?
ദയവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് എല്ലാവരും പോയി ഇരിക്കണം. റിക്വസ്റ്റാണ്. ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാം തുടങ്ങാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. നിങ്ങൾ പോയി ഇരുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാം തുടങ്ങത്തില്ല. ഹംബിൾ റിക്വസ്റ്റാണ്. ദയവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് എല്ലാവരും പോയി ഇരിക്കണം.
Okay, we'll kind of give you a semi-promise if you listen to us right now. And that is, we're going to give you photographs with these wonderful people. But only if this program can start, can we give you that time. Please. Kerala, we've just been told that we're the most literate state and the most well-mannered state. Adu nammal kanikkanam keto.
First of all, sincere apologies for the delay. എല്ലാവരും ക്ഷമിക്കണം. ഡിലേ ആയിപ്പോയി. കാരണം അവർ യാത്രയിലായിരുന്നു. ബാംഗ്ലൂരിൽ നിന്ന് ഇവിടെ വന്നു. എന്നിട്ട് ഇവിടെ എത്തുമ്പോൾ 1 മണിക്കൂർ ലേറ്റായിപ്പോയി. അതിന് ക്ഷമ ചോദിക്കുന്നു. I invite the President of the Producers Association, Mr. Ranjit, the Producers Association, the Film Distributors Association President, Mr. Siad Kokar, Allu Arjun sir, who's become a one of the most other state celebrated artist over here.
Exactly.
And I'm very happy to be associated with the film. And I promised him that this will be his biggest release in Kerala. And we are releasing the film in 250 theaters on Friday. And along with that, Rashmika ma'am, she has been very popular over here because of Geeta Govindam was one film which did very well over here. And without the music of Devi Sri Prasad, it is not possible. And Pushpa has so many songs. which will bring you back to the theaters in repeat mode. I myself am listening to all the songs again and again. I thank the beautiful team for taking the time out to come to Kerala. And amongst all your busy schedule, I have been following what all you all have been going through. Thank you all for coming over here. Thank you. I'll just ask
you, sir.
Mr. Ranjit and Mr. Siat to say a few words.
I'm really thrilled to have a reputed guest over here like Allu and ma'am and the music director and everybody. Like definitely Allu Arjun is having I don't know how to explain, because being a distributor president, I'm getting calls from people, theater people, saying that they want a special show. As Allu Arjun's fans are waiting for the show, so ask the distributor friend of mine, Mukesh R. Mehta, to allow them to have a fan show as Mohanlal and Mammukas. So definitely there will be special shows for Mr. Allu, and thank you very much for this visit, and definitely it's a nice time. Definitely my wishes for the film. Thank you very much.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. മലയാളത്തിൽ മോഹൻലാൽ, മമ്മൂട്ടി, പൃഥ്വിരാജ് അതുപോലെ ഒരുപാട് താരങ്ങളുണ്ടായിട്ടുണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ തെലുങ്ക് ദേശത്തു നിന്നും മലയാളത്തിൽ ഇത്രയധികം ആളുകളെ ആകർഷിച്ച ഒരേ ഒരാൾ ശ്രീ അല്ലു അർജുൻ മാത്രമാണ്. ശരിക്കും ഇവിടെ മലയാളികളുടെ ഒരു യൂത്തിൻ്റെ ഒരു സ്റ്റാർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ പറയുന്ന ഒരു സൗത്ത് മുഴുവൻ അല്ലു അർജുൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരാളിലേക്ക് വന്നു എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. മലയാളം ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയുടെ എല്ലാ സപ്പോർട്ടും ഉണ്ടാകും. ദേവശ്രീ പ്രസാദ് ഇവിടെ ഒരുപാട് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് നല്ല സോങ്സ് ഞങ്ങൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഡാഡി മമ്മി വീട്ടിലില്ലേ എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്ന പാട്ടുകൾ ഇവിടെ സൂപ്പർ ഡ്യൂപ്പർ ഹിറ്റാണ്. മമത മോഹൻദാസ് പാടിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്, മലയാളി ആർട്ടിസ്റ്റാണ്. അതുപോലെ ഗീതാ ഗോവിന്ദൻ എന്ന ഹീറോയിൻ, എല്ലാവരെയും നമുക്ക് ടോട്ടൽ എല്ലാവരെയും ഞങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ സിനിമ വലിയൊരു വിജയമാവും, സൂപ്പർ ഹിറ്റാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
Thank you. Thank you so much. If you all would please take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, in Karya Mela about all of you, but kore naal aiku uditalle because of COVID. So it's really wonderful that we are all here today, and I would request all of you who are in the room to please wear your masks. I feel so very at home when I see Devi Prasad over here. It reminds me of my amma. I've not seen her in 2 years. So it just feels absolutely wonderful to be in this gathering, and I'd love to have you on stage, Devi Prasad. Please come. All right. So he is the hit maker. And the first time I saw a picture of Devi Prasad, I was expecting this ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട് ആള്. ഞാൻ നോക്കിയപ്പോഴേ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു, എൻ്റെ ദൈവമേ, ഇങ്ങനെയാണോ? Okay. How does it feel working with the same team of Arya and now this?
Yeah, before that, hi, a very big hi to Kerala, the beautiful Kerala. Before I start, എല്ലാവർക്കും സുഖമാണോ? ഊണ് കഴിച്ചോ? അவ்வளோதான் தெரியும். Okay, first of all, let me tell you all that it's a great pleasure being in this place, this beautiful place. And after I landed, well, on the way to hotel itself, I started getting down. Stop the car, I want to get down. Stop the car because it is so beautiful and it's a photographer's pleasure to be here. And I was clicking pictures all over. And thank you all for inviting me, inviting all of us here. And we are going to have a great time. And yeah, now coming to Pushpa. Ipo solunga.
How does it feel with the same team of Arya and Pushpa? Is the pressure really high that you have to...
Yes, my dear friend and brother and your dear icon star, Mallu Arjun.
Mallu Arjun, yes.
ஆக்சுவலி ஒரு விஷயம் எனக்கு தோணுச்சு எப்படின்னா கேரளா இஸ் கால் த காட்ஸ் ஓன் கண்ட்ரி ரைட் அதனால காட் முன்னாடியே டிசைட் பண்ணிட்டாரு தட்ஸ் வை வென் ஹி வாஸ் born they named him அவங்க வீட்டு பேர் அல்லு அர்ஜுன் காட் knew that in future he would be called as Mallu Arjun. So I think it was all decided. So and I could see, I always see the love and we are all like சென்னையில் வளர்ந்தவங்க we all knew each other from way back and we are all childhood friends and all that. So எங்கள் வீட்டில் எப்படின்னா whenever they see Bunny's success, my mom, dad, everybody like they just celebrate his success because he's like எங்கள் வீட்டு பையன் மாதிரி. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி இங்கே வரும்போது the way you're welcome and அந்த சண்டை சவுண்டு எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ஆக்சுவலாக பன்னி முன்னாடி போகும்போது நீங்கள் எல்லாம் பார்க்கலாம் பின்னாடி சண்டை சவுண்டுக்கு டான்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஆடிட்டு இருந்தேன். ஸோ ஐ ரியலி என்ஜாய்ட் தி கிரேட் மியூசிக்கல் வெல்கம் அண்ட் ஒர்க்கிங் வித் சுகுபாய் as we dearly call him. ஆக்சுவலாக he's a man, I think இன்னைக்கு இந்த யூஃபோரியா இந்த புஷ்பாங்கிற ஒரு வாட் யூ கால் திஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் எ மூவி இதோட ஆரிஜின் வந்து சுகுபாய் and he is also very very dear எங்களுக்கு ரெண்டு பேருக்குமே வந்து for both of us Suku is like our dearest brother. So both of us are missing him. Even Bunny was saying that he is really really missing him but he is with the final work. And thank you Sukubai for this great film called Pushpa because பன்னியோட மேக் ஓவராக இருக்கட்டும் ரஷ்மிகாவோட மேக் ஓவராக இருக்கட்டும் and all the artists சுனில் சார் லேருந்து நம்ம ஃபஹத் ஃபசில் சார் எல்லாருமே வந்து they're looking very different and I think we should give a big round of applause to the one and only Sukumar. And whenever I work with Sukumar sir and Bunny அது வந்து ஒரு different kind of pleasure because we push each other I think. And Bunny and Sukumar sir are equally like very passionate. இந்த படம் வந்து since I can't reveal lot of the visuals நான் சொல்ல முடியாத தவிர பட் நீங்கள் பார்க்குறீங்கள when Suku sir told me அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் சொல்லும்போது he described one look Bunny இப்படிலாம் இருப்பார் அப்போவே நான் யோசித்தேன் because I know about his hard work. ஒரு கேரக்டர் சொல்லிட்டா he will fully தெலுங்கில் வந்து பறக்காய பிரவாசம் அப்படின்வாங்க அப்படின்னா getting into the shoes of the character. So that Bunny really did took it to another level. Super Bunny, hats off to you once again. I think Kerala people they're already in love with you. இதுக்கப்புறம் அப்படியே வந்து தூக்கி வச்சிடுவாங்க.
All right, now we know about the backstory of this movie. We need to know about how this movie became really beautiful and that's because of the music. And we also know that you sing. So you need to sing us one line of a song before we see the song. Please, Pa.
ஆனால் மலையாளத்தில் பாடி அது ஏதாவது
அதான் அப்படி தானே பண்ணணும். There's no choice now. அல்ல தமிழில் வேணுங்களா ஹிந்தியில்
ஓகே அப்போ நீங்கள் மியூசிக் பற்றி பேசணும்னால நான் ஒன்று சொல்கிறேன். I just when I entered and it's really an honor to know you because you're the daughter of the great one and only Usha Uthup ma'am and I'm a huge fan of Usha Uthup ma'am and I think she's one legend who has done something that nobody else in this world has done and nobody else in this world can do. And எனக்கு அவ்வளோ க்ளோஸ் நான் அவங்க பார்த்தால அப்படியே உஷா மேம் சொல்லிட்டு அங்கே தீதி இப்படி அவ்வளோ க்ளோஸ் ஆனால் டே என்னடா படவா ராஸ்கல் லைக் தட் only she calls me and whenever she calls like that it's so wholehearted. ஸோ அது ஒரு blessing மாதிரி இருக்கும். அதனால இட்ஸ் ஆனால் நீங்களும் பாடுவீங்கல்ல
இல்லைம்மா
போய் சொல்லாதீங்க.
அதான் நான் இங்கே இருக்கேன் நீங்க அங்கே இருக்க அம்மா
அப்போ சிம்பிளாக ஒரு சாங் I think I'll teach you. What do you say Rashmika? Should it be Srivalli? Sorry.
Srivalli, yes.
So with Srivalli's permission I'm going to teach you one line and she's going to sing. Ready?
ஓ தெய்வம் தம்புரான்
என்ன கேரளம் எந்த கேரளம் என்ன கேரளம் சொன்ன பாடணும். இது ரொம்ப ஈஸி. நம்ம சிஜு துருவூர் சார் இருக்காரு. சிஜு துருவூர் சார் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. பியூட்டிஃபுல் லிரிக்ஸ் யூ கேவ் அண்ட் சூப்பராக அந்த லிப்ஸிங்கோட எல்லாம் ஒரு வழி எங்கள் ஸ்டுடியோக்கு வந்து உட்காந்து அவ்வளோ பேஷனேட் ஒர்க். ப்ளீஸ் கிவ் எ பிக் ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் அப்ளாஸ் டு சிஜு துருவூர் சார். ஸோ இதில் நம்ம பாட்டு ஒன்று கற்றுக்கிறது ரொம்ப ஈஸி. எல்லாரும் பாடணும். சவுண்டே இல்லாம என்னப்பா இது அது சொல்லணும் மாமா சொல்லணும்
மாமா சொல்லணும்
கை தட்டணும். இதுதான் ஒரு பாட்டு ரொம்ப தத்துவம் உள்ள பாட்டு. வெரி philosophical song.
ஆமா தெரியும் சரி. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, while he is on stage, we're going to see a couple of lines of his song on the screen. May we have the visuals, please? Thank you. I'd like to call upon Ranjit sir here, please, to honor Devi sir. Thank you for being
And
here
before
with
that, sorry ma'am, before that I would like to thank நம்ம ரம்யா நம்பிசன் because she came, இன்னைக்கு வர முடியல அவங்களுக்கு வேறு ஏதோ launch இருக்கான், but she's the one who sang this song in Malayalam and she did a great job. Please give a big round of applause to Ramya Nambison. She's from your land and your actress and she's a very, very fantastically talented singer. Thank you. And Mehta sir, ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி sir for all the lovely words you said. Thank you. And also thanks to each and everyone from Kerala for always loving my music. Kerala நான் டைரக்டா படம் பண்ணலாம்ல சில மலையாளம் அவார்ட்ஸ்ல எனக்கு அவார்ட் எல்லாம் கொடுத்தாங்க. The music that drove us mad அப்படி இப்படிலாம் சொல்லி. ஸோ அந்த நட்புக்கும் அந்த அன்புக்கும் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. I love Kerala. I love people from Kerala who and I also want to say that I love the film industry of Kerala who was so simple and down to earth and I love the music of Kerala. I love you guys. Thank you. Thank you guys.
We all know her with different names, Sanvi, Geeta, Pooja, or should I say Shrivalli. Our beautiful Rashmika Mandana. Can we please have you on stage? God, you are really beautiful. Oh. All right, so the question for you is, what is your experience working with Allu Arjun and Sukumar sir?
It has been, first of all, Yellarikkum Namaskaram. Lovely to be here. It's been a while because, of course, all of you know that I'm from Coorg and I'm your neighbor. So it is lovely to be in a neighboring land. It is such an honor that we get to come to every state and sort of personally meet all of you and, be a part of your celebration. So thank you so much for coming here. We apologize if it got a little late because, of course, the flight delays and all of that. But thank you for showing all your lovely faces. Now coming to Pushpa. As in, your question, ma'am, was how was it working with Allu Arjun sir and Sukumar sir? Of course, it is going to be my, I think, career's biggest film.
Wow, can we have a big hand for that?
I think that itself explains how massive this is for me. First, I think I should start with our man, Allu Arjun sir. It has been absolute honor. I am so blessed to be doing a film like this with an actor like this because I think when you do a film like this and a character like this, you need actors who can teach you, who can feed you good information, who can feed you good knowledge, and I think who will help you become a better actor.
Yes, prop you up as you're doing your work. Yes.
And I know that I've become a better actor after this film, so I think all credits goes to you. Thank you so much. And Sukumar sir, of course, for the world he's created. Pushpa is a whole different world which we have never seen before, and we're going to have Pushpa 2, thank God.
Yes.
So I'm super grateful. He's a man of vision, I think. Like, he can just foresee magic and he can create it before we can see it. So I'm super glad that I could do this film with him. Devi Garu, thank you, Andy, for giving Sami. Thank you so much. I think before we started this film, you had told me, you'll give me one song and I better work hard in that song. I hope I worked hard, and it is also because of Arjun sir. He also made me work hard. So thank you so much. Again, songs are amazing. Like, you know it. You already passed with flying colors. So now it's our time. And also coming to my three movie makers, they've been pillars for this film. their time, their effort, their money, everything, and I know how hard they've worked, and I hope they get double of the hard work they've done. And loads of love to all of them, loads of love to Kerala. It is so lovely being here, and thank you. Big thank you.
And since you did mention Kerala, we move on to the next part of our question. What do you have to say to the fans you're going to have in anticipation of this movie release? What do you have to say about your Kerala fans?
I think I keep a very close touch with my Kerala fans. I love them truly. I've got on a Zoom calls with them and, you know, personal chats with them, and they say how excited they are about Pushpa. And I think with this film, you'll be a little more proud.
How lovely. Just to remind everybody, Pushpa releases on the 17th of December. Huh? Don't forget that. Make a date with yourself and these beautiful stars. Before we call a few more people on stage, I'd like you to be here while we have the next clip of the song, please.
Oh,
Thank you. And now I'd like to call upon Adira Diljit to please honor Rashmika with the Ponada. Come.
okay. One last thing I'm I'm excited to say is December 17th, our film is releasing, and appadi nunchi mana mass takkedele. Thank you.
Five Filmfare Awards, 3 Nandi Awards, been on the Forbes India celebrity list since 2014. Maybe born in 1982, but been in our hearts, a list that started in 2003. Ladies and gentlemen, very specially, our very own Bunny, Allu, Mallu, Arjun. I know about men being crazy about women, and I can understand that when you see the beautiful Rashmika. But with all this tadi and all of that, and seeing men still screaming, can we have a big hand for these fans of Allu Arjun? It's a great honor to be here. And as my colleagues who are here with me say to me, Anjali, you probably don't know anything about this man because you're 10 years older than him. But I do know a lot about you. And over to you. Please tell us something about your movie and, of course, everything else that goes with it.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Thank you, Kerala. Thank you for all the love. Thank you. Romba nandri. And I'd like to sincerely apologize for the delay, because there's a delay in the flight. When we're hopping cities, you know, there's a fog. So I know it's been late, and you've been very patiently waiting. Thank you so much for that first. Thank you. Thank you. I'd like to thank the entire media for taking this program into the hearts of Kerala people. Thank you. And when I say Kerala, the first thing that comes into my mind is my Kerala fans. In every place I have fans, but I think when only in Kerala I think every Keralite is my fan. At least I feel that way. They make me feel that way. Thank you so much for making me feel like that. Thank you so much.
Allu, you're truly blessed because Malayalis are the kind
Absolutely.
of people, if I talk Malayalam, they'll say, Ayye, Anjali, ariyamele, shariyaitala. They don't feel happy that you're trying. They want you to be perfect. So, if you have made way into their heart, that means you are perfect for them. Because
course.
Malayalis are very critical of the people they love because they want only the best from the people that they love.
Thanks to Devi, I'm Mr. Perfect.
Yes. And now, Alu, I'd like to ask you, how is it different for you to promote your movie here compared to anywhere else?
Before we get to that question, I'd like to first say, I would like to start from where this journey started and why this journey today is so special. The entire craze in Kerala, the whole thing of watching a Telugu film in Kerala started with my movie Arya. It's the same trio combination of me, Sukumar and Devshri Prasad, which opened up the hearts of Kerala to me. And then we did Arya 2, and today it's the third film. And I'm very, very happy. I couldn't even imagine that day when I did Arya that after 20 films, I will be here received with so much love. I didn't even think in my wildest dreams that I would be receiving so much love. Thank you so much. It's a very proud moment for me. And every time when I come to Kerala, trust me, more than how special I am in Kerala, because I'm special in Kerala, the way Telugu people treat me has changed. They're like, sir, so many artists from Telugu film industry, they come up to me, sir, we went to Kerala the other day, they recognized me because of your films. We are so proud that, you've become so popular in Kerala. So Kerala has brought me a lot of love in Telugu itself. Thank you for that. It's my
lovely.
special USP. Thank you.
And now, while we have the man himself here, I'd like for you to please play the trailer, and then after that, we have a few more little
Of course, I
surprises
have lots
coming
more to
your way.
speak.
Are you okay? We will let you speak. This trailer kaiyinittu.
பாட்டு இல்லையா புஷ்பா பாட்டு இருக்குப்பா December 17th worldwide multiple languagesல this is the biggest party anybody can give. Banwar Singh Shekhawat, my dear Fafa. Now that I'm in Kerala, I'd like to publicly thank Fafa for being a big part of Pushpa and giving us a big energy on being a big part of Pushpa and making this movie even more bigger with his presence. He's a wonderful actor, an actor who I have a huge respect for. When we thought of this character, Banwar Singh Shekhawat, somewhere deep inside I wanted him to play this character. And somewhere I had a feeling that if he listens to the character, maybe he will be interested to play the character. And very fortunately, he likes Sukumar sir a lot. He has huge respect for Sukumar sir, and he heard the film. And he said, I like the role. And that too, we're doing a film with no other, the best possible Telugu actor because it's Bunny. And publicly, I'd like to thank him. Thank you, Fahad. Thank you so much for being a part of Pushpa. You have given great energy into the film. You're a fantastic actor. And it was my absolute joy to see you perform live. What we did on screen, watch it on December 17th. Taggedele party. There's no bigger party that I can give than this. And talking about my artists, there have been lovely artists in this movie. And especially my Shrivalli, Rashmika. Yeah, this is Rashmika's style. Thank you so much, Rashmika. You have been such a lovely actress to work with. I always say I give a lot of credit to my actors, co-actors, because a lot of performance is only reaction, and reaction comes if you have a counter good actor. 60% of acting is, I would consider it as reacting. And reaction comes when you have the best actors. I'm very fortunate. I have great actors like Fafa, great actors like Rashmika, and many more actors in this film. If my performance tomorrow, they say it's good in the film, I give the credit to, of course, my director and all my actors who have been supporting. Thank you so much, Srivalli.
Thank you.
And for the wonderful person that you are. I've been promoting the film with you. I've seen you more on a personal side. I wish you all the best, and I'm very sure you will become the heart, not just of the National Crush, you'll become the heartthrob of Kerala also soon.
Yeah, that's a totally different country. That's God's own country.
I know, it's a different country, that's why.
So you have to remember that. But you were talking to me about the technical side of this
Yes.
movie. So please tell us about your technicians.
The most important technician, who is the reason for this whole thing to happen, the Arya film to happen, everything is obviously my director Sukumar Garu is the most important thing that happened because you know I think my life, not just though Arya is my second film, Gangotri is my first film, but I was still a struggling actor at that stage, and my career entirely took off with that film Arya, and not just a film taking off, it took me into the hearts of Kerala people. I came into the hearts of Kerala people with that film. So I'd like to give credit for Sukumar Garu for giving me everything that I have today, and a lot of it goes to him. Thank you, Suku darling. Thank you so much for నేను చెప్పలేను అంతే అంత feel my love, just feel my love. I can't say anything more. And love తగ్గేదేలే. Your love really is తగ్గేదేలే because every film is going up and you're taking me up and up and up. And most of my films, all through my career, I've worked with Devshri Prasad, who's not only just my music director, who's also a very, very, very close friend, an amazing musician, like somebody who can penetrate into your soul. He took me into the hearts of Kerala with the sound saying, "Feel my love." See, they're still feeling it. That's the power of Devi. And from there, we've done so many songs, especially from the song which was very popular in Kerala. I still remember during Arya 2 is My Love Is Gone. You know, that was one song where many people liked, and there's so many amazing numbers we did together. And today, again, we're doing it for Pushpa. Multiple songs, especially Poda Idu Njanada. Thank you so much, each and everybody, and all my technicians, my crew. If I'd forgotten anybody, please forgive me. December 17th, Pushpa party on the December 17th, Pushpa taggedala.
So we know that,
No, I'll have to say that again. There was no punch in it.
Okay, make some noise, everybody.
Pushpa taggedala.
So we all know officially Pushpa is releasing in 270 plus theaters. But we have an Allu Arjun fan association in Kerala that is releasing the movie simultaneously in 83 places in Kerala. And we have them here for you, the three of them who are representing the Kerala Fans Association. And this is a great privilege for them. And thank you so much for allowing this, really.
Thank you. I always say that, everybody has fans, but I have an army. Thank you, my army. "15 years of Fans Association, AFWA. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And now I'd like to invite Syed sir to please come on stage. Asiyat Kokar sir, whose voice I have been mesmerized. I know we've never talked about his voice, but ever since I was a young girl and I'd go anywhere and he would be announcing the awards or saying something, I used to say, "Oh my God, this voice is just one of the most amazing voices." And I never had the privilege of being on the same stage as him. We'd always be in the sound bin looking up at who was talking. Sir, thank you so much for being here. And
Thank
we will
you.
now...
And also I would like to thank all the Malayali. Sir, you're right here. Thank you for writing wonderful lyrics, and all the Malayali technicians who have been dubbing this film with utmost quality, and my dubbing artist and all of them, each and every technician who have worked for the Malayali copy. And of course, and the person who's releasing it, E4 Entertainment, Medha Garu, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the love that you have shown. Thank you. I hope we win your hearts very soon on December 17th.
All right, we are not going to, I'm not going to let him go, but in the meanwhile, I need the hit maker, the musical hit maker, and of course, Srivalli. Please, Ingevango. Come here. All of you can start taking as many photographs you can because this is a very special moment. Can we have Mr. Mukesh Mehta also please on stage? No shouting, please. We're going to give all of you your time. Everyone, I hope you got your questions ready because as soon as they sit down, we have exactly 7 minutes and 30 seconds to get your questions across, all right? Mukesh sir. Amma, that's the way it is. Now I'd request all of you to please be seated. Devi and Allu, Mukesh sir, Rakshima, please all of you sit down so I can give you the mics. May I have 2 extra mics, please? All right, somebody to give me the first question. I can't hear you all. You want them to move? All right, all of you will have to either sit down like this as if you're in Padmasan. Thank you. Lingli, you'll have to do Shavasana. Challa, because we've got lots of people behind. See, the faster we listen to each other, the better it is. Okay, what is the first question from the house? To Mallu Arjun.
Sir, there is no South Indian actor who will not like Mohanlal sir. Because we have grown up watching these people. When I was young, these are the superstars we watched, we saw and we grew up with. So there's no way that we cannot not love them. Sort of that league. There's an action sequence in the movie and we shot that in the forest. And we wanted to come to Kerala and shoot in the forest, but 2 times it got cancelled because in the pre-COVID and COVID conditions, we couldn't shoot in Kerala. I really missed that one part, not shooting in Kerala. It's a very difficult thing to shoot in Kerala. It was very difficult to shoot because, there's no hotels in the forest. When you have to give accommodation for 350 people, the logistics are very huge and it is a very difficult film to shoot. So I hope you all like the output of it. Definitely it's a very challenging role because till now, whatever I did, it's still a little on the glamorous side. This is a total de-glamorous role and it is quite a challenging role for me in terms of dialect, look, body language. There are multiple layers in the movie which I had to get it. I think I managed. I hope you watched it tomorrow and I hope you all see what all I've tried. I am genuinely, I am satisfied with what I've tried. I hope tomorrow when you say that, okay, he's done a good job, I think that's when I'll feel complete. Thank you.
It can't get more comfortable. Okay.
I am his comfort.
True. I think I should share one or two experiences, very, very short and sweet ones. First, see, whenever, as a composer, when I compose a song, then based on the hero who's going to be in the song, the orchestration depends on that. And when it's Bunny, there are no limits to me, to my imagination, and I can just go wild. Because whatever I do, he will make it, look good on the screen. And the best thing about Bunny is that if he likes something from the song, he really puts in all his heart and soul and hard work, and he tries to, keep on improvising it and does it. And another thing about Bunny is whenever he comes to Chennai, even if it is for some other film for which I'm not the music director also, as soon as he lands, he calls me, "Hey, Devi, what are you doing?" And he comes straight to my studio, and we have some snacks and all that. Then we chat forever. That's why he's so sweet and so dear to me. And when we're making songs, he comes to the studio, we play it, and Devi, see, I thought of this, and he dances in front of us. So all my team, everybody gets excited. When a hero is like that, then it also pushes us, right? Hey, then okay, let us do this, let us do that. So that's our relationship. It's musical, it's professional, and that bonding is different.
1 minute. Yes. Tell me.
Working for
How was it working with Fahad
Fahad
Fazil?
Garu is a fantastic actor in the first place. And I was pretty surprised to see many aspects that generally actors from other languages, they don't learn the lines. They just take prompting. Prompting means somebody else says the lines, they just hear it and they just say it. Not even one single word of Telugu he took prompting. All the time he used to write his dialogues, learn it, come, speak on the set. Like he spoke Telugu just like any other Telugu person, which is impossible. I have never seen any other non-language artist do it so well. All due credits to him. And to work with, he's a very, very down-to-earth, very simple, very focused actor.
Allu sir, Pradesh here only. The first person who asked the question.
Oh, yes.
Okay. So 70 days ഫോറസ്റ്റിലാണ് ഈ ഒരു സിനിമ ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്തത്. ആൻഡ് ഇതിൻ്റെ സംഘടന രംഗങ്ങൾ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു അതും ഭയങ്കര ചാലഞ്ചിങ് ആയിരുന്നു. എത്രമാത്രം റിസ്ക് ആയിരുന്നു ഈ സിനിമയുടെ ഷൂട്ടിങ്?
Okay, so he said the whole shooting was done in 70 days in the forest. What were the risks associated with doing this over there?
Biggest risk was COVID.
ഇവിടെ അതും ഇല്ല. ബാക്കി എല്ലാവരും please wear your masks. Please.
The biggest risk over there was COVID. And also apart from that, the risk is always there. There could be a snake behind you, there could be a buck below you. Shooting in a forest is very unpredictable. It could suddenly rain, it could be short-circuited. So there are multiple aspects that you always have to be aware about. More than anything, there will be spiders everywhere. So when you're walking, there's a lot of spider webs and suddenly there's a spider on your face. I think at least more than 15-20 times it would have happened to me. Luckily, they're not poisonous.
ദേവി സാറിനോടാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. നീ ആമി ആമി എന്ന് വിളിക്കെ കാന്തയോ ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് തോന്നി സാമി. ഏ സാമി നാ സാമി സാമി എന്ന് വിളിക്കെ കാന്തണോ നീ എന്ന് തോന്നി സാമി. ഏ സാമി. Oh my God.
பாடுங்க 1, 2, 3.
നീ സാമി ആമി എന്ന് വിളിക്കെ കാന്തയോ ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് തോന്നി സാമി. ഏ സാമി നാ ആമി ആമി എന്ന് വിളിക്കെ കാന്തണോ നീ എന്ന് തോന്നി സാമി. ഏ സാമി നിൻ പിറകെ പോരുമ്പോളേ നിൻ പിറകെ പോരുമ്പോളേ തിരുപ്പതി മല കയറി വരുന്നേ സാമി. ഏ സാമി അയ്യോ oh my God. സാർ ഇത് കമ്പോസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ
ഇതിലെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനേ ഇല്ലേ?
ആ,
First
question
claps pa.
വരായിരുന്നു.
Everybody should
Thank
clap
you.
for her. She entertained us.
Oh,
The
thank you.
payment ഉണ്ടോ?
ഇല്ല
ഇല്ലയോ?
ഇല്ല
പേയ്മെന്റ് വേണ്ട, മ്യൂസിക്കേ ഗിഫ്റ്റ്. അപ്പൊ എതുക്ക് പേയ്മെന്റ്? അയ്യോ എനിക്ക് വേണം മ്യൂസിക് ഡയറക്ടർക്ക്.
അയ്യോ സാർ ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട് ബ്ലെസ്ഡ് ആയിരുന്നു.
മ്യൂസിക്ക് വേണ്ട, മ്യൂസിക് ഡയറക്ടർക്ക് വേണം.
സർ ഇത് കമ്പോസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ആക്ച്വലി അല്ലു അർജുൻ മൂവീസ് എല്ലാം ഒരു ഹീറോയുടെ സോങ്സ് ആണല്ലോ കൂടുതൽ വരിക. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഹീറോയിൻ സോങ് ആയിട്ടാണ് ഫീൽ ചെയ്തത്. അപ്പോൾ ഹൗ വാസ് യുവർ എന്താ പറയുക, സാറിന് ആ സമയത്ത് സാറിന്റെ മൈൻഡിൽ എന്തായിരുന്നു?
கொஞ்சம் புரிஞ்சது, கொஞ்சம் புரியல. அப்படியே அது கமல் சார் அப்படியும் சொல்லலாம் இப்படியும் சொல்லலாம், ஒரு 50-50 only understood.
No, so what she says, when you hear this song, you're actually thinking of it to be a
ഹീറോയിൻ സോങ്.
heroine song. You think it's going to be made on a heroine. But
Oh,
so
because Allu Arjun is there, generally we make hero songs, but we are making for a heroine. Is that what You asked? Ah, okay.
What was in your mind at that time?
Um,
எதுக்கு சார் நீங்க ரஷ்மிகாவை ஆடி வச்சுங்க?
Yeah, no, actually, what happens is, even though, see, the beauty about a heroine song in a film is the heroine is anyway singing about the hero. So, indirectly, it becomes a hero song. So, the lyrics and everything is shot at the hero. So, then, only things I feel like a girl while making the song.
Well, you have to be very smart about that
And,
in I, it, he, me, she kind of world. So I think it has to suit everybody. Yeah.
No, that's how we should feel, right? When I make an item song, I feel like an item boy.
That's a good one. Lovely. Thank you. We have two questions left.
Sorry, ma'am, sorry.
Yeah.
But you should watch her dance, and though it's a heroine song, you'll be mind blown by his dance also. So both of them have rocked. BGMs le Allu Arjun, yo, taggedala. நீங்க அப்ப part 3 கூட சொன்னீங்க. That we didn't know.
This is only part 1. We have part 2 also. And soon after part 1, we will give an announcement about part 2. Let's see how part 1, what you will say about part 1. According to that, we'll change also a little in part 2. Any mannerism, Pushpa? I've been doing it for last 2 years, 1 year. With the dialogue. You want it? Last, I'll definitely give it to you. And, you know, a lot of people, I just wanted to say, I was even sharing with Devi a little while ago. When they say a lot of fans in Kerala, what visually comes is the, you know, the men that always come with banners and everything like that. But apart from that, what I've noticed is there are a lot of fans who are female, who are largely female. I'd like to thank them, all of them, each and every one of them, for all the love. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Any more questions?
Experience, sir. I think I should just say I am super blessed to be working with Allu Arjun sir and in this film in a total because first I was telling in the award pre-release function that when sir came as a chief guest in Geeta Govindam, I was just wishing that I get to work with sir, and today I'm here promoting a film that I've done with sir, which I feel extremely proud of. I think that, and you know, getting to do such a different character with an actor who's a perfectionist like this, I think is an extreme, you know, learning journey, but at the same time, extremely exciting journey. So I think I'm super excited about the 17th. And Fafa sir, I still, you know, didn't get to do...
No, don't give all the surprises. Let them see it in the film.
Oh, okay. 17th, everybody.
You've already done 250 crores worth of business before the movie has released. So what is your expectation?
Ma'am, my expectation is not about 200, 250, 300, ma'am. What I would like to say is what I'm working for and what I would like to be is, ma'am, we're all coming together as South cinema. And this is the biggest film that's coming from South cinema in 2021. And the entire country is going to watch it. It's not a Malayalam film. It's not a Telugu film. It's not a Kannada film, Malayalam film. It's a film that's coming from the South, which is going to be released all over. Not just the South, but it's going to release all over India. And even North Indian audience are going to watch it. It's a representation from South, but it's a multi-language, you know, all over the country, pan-Indian film. And madam, eventually what is going to be standing out is not Telugu cinema, Malayalam cinema,
Yes.
Kannada cinema, Hindi cinema. It's going to be Indian cinema. I want Indian cinema to put us, my attempt is to put Indian cinema on a highest pedestal. 200 crores, 250 crores is not the potential of Indian cinema. Indian cinema's potential is much, much, much. I am billing it 10 to 100 times more. I want to see the potential of Indian cinema come out. Thank you.
So finally, you could have people when they say you're South Indian, we're going to be very proud of it because we
Thank
are
you. I
South
want
Indian.
to. Yes, we are South Indians, and I want all of us to be proud that we are.
And we're united.
Yes, we are Indians first, and then we're proud South Indians. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Very nice question. Fafa has dubbed for himself in all the languages.
Whoa. He is too much.
Thank you. Thank
Mukesh
you.
sir,
And just
thank
like
you.
how you asked to fulfill your promise, December
Sit
17th.
Sit down, please don't
Pushpa
jump. Sit. Please don't leave.
Taggedele.
He's here.
Thank you.
Mukesh sir, how do you feel today after seeing this amazing evening, the way it turned out? Wait, sir.
I'm very happy and I'm very sure. I'm very sure that as Allu Arjun said, sir said that Pushpa is not a Telugu film. Pushpa is a pan-Indian film. And this number of people who will see Pushpa will be the highest as far as I am concerned, not only in Kerala, but across the world. And I'm wishing Allu Arjun sir his biggest success of his career in Pushpa. I end with that. I thank the entire media, the press for coming and waiting for us. I'm once again thankful to all of you.
And the last, I'd like to thank once again. I thank the entire media, all the press, and ma'am, thank you so much for comparing us. Thank you. And of course, the last bye to all my fans. I love you all. Thank you. Thank you. Pushpa, December 17th, Mimmal Kalustunanu. I'm going to meet you. I'll see you soon. Taggedele.
എല്ലാവരും ഇതിൻ്റെ അകത്തേക്ക് കയറില്ലേട്ടാ സ്റ്റേജിലേക്ക് കയറില്ലേട്ടാ സ്റ്റേജിൽ നിന്നൊന്ന് ഇറങ്ങിക്കേ സ്റ്റേജിലേക്ക് കയറരുത്
Ladies and gentlemen, please leave some space for him. He'll be gracious enough to take your photographs. In the meanwhile, there is tea and coffee and refreshments. Remember to wear your mask, sanitize your hands, and drive home safe.